Hey everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. Happy Thrifty Thursday, everybody. I hope you enjoyed my quick little Thrifty Thursday video. I had to do something quick, guys, because I was leaving to come here to Georgia. I have my buddy Jack here with me. I have all 4 kids today, guys. So I am trying to do this little video quick. I just put the babies down for a nap, but I've had a few of you ask how I made my doily flowers that I had on a wreath, and I have behind me at home in my craft room on my Crafty Decorator sign. So I'm going to show you how I did that. I brought some with me. I brought doilies with me. So if you're out and you're thrifting or
this is what it will turn out when you cut it.
Yes, that's what it looks like when you cut it. We'll show
and
you that.
there's all different patterns.
Yes, Grandma bought a couple different ones because you're going to need 3 different sizes. This is what you're going to end up looking like.
And there's also different colors.
So I have, and different colors, yes. I have 3 different sizes in here. So I'm going to show you. So you need to cut them. So I'm sorry, he interrupted me. If you're out thrifting or yard sailing or whatever, always grab doilies, like the table runners, small table, little runners. This was just a small one that I cut up. Always grab those because we use them for so many different things. See, okay, see, like these are 2 different sizes. And I try to do different colors also. See, this one is so much lighter because you want a contrast. You don't want them all to be the same. Like, let's see, did I cut any of this one yet? So you're just gonna cut them. You're gonna cut them away from their like little sew stitch line that they're connected. Now I left my little edges on this one. You could have cut it to make it smaller. If you can't find a small one, like you could have cut these little edges off here and it would have made it smaller. But I have a couple small ones too. But you're gonna want a bigger one for the outside and then like a medium one for the middle and then a small one. He's such a ham for the camera. Okay, see, like this one I have now. And then I even use like this color and look how tiny these are. See, this was just like a little table scarf. And I cut these off. Now, it has tiny little flowers in here, and I am saving those because you never know what we're going to use those for. I do not waste anything that has to do with a doily, most definitely. I'll even save the trim from around this one. I'll even save, let's see, where's my trim? I'll even save this trim because I'll use it for something. But see, this one's like a little more yellowy, I guess. So I use that one. Okay, so these are my doilies I brought with me to cut up. Now, I couldn't bring my stiffy with me. I couldn't bring my stiffy with me. Let me fix this for I told you I was just trying to do a quick thing. Jackie's gonna fix it for you. I couldn't bring my stiffy with me because I couldn't bring the bottle on the plane. So I went on Amazon and I couldn't get stiffy in time. So I don't know, I tried this. This is a fabric stiffener and draping liquid. Oh my gosh, though, guys, this is like glue. It is so thick. I would rather use regular stiffy. I'm gonna tell you to use regular stiffy rather than, I don't know if it's because it's a draping liquid. You can add some water to it, but it was like glue. So you're gonna want 3 different size bowls. Now I bought these in the Dollar Tree over where all of their party trays are and stuff. I bought like this size and then this size. And then for my little tiny centers, I just used the little Dixie cups that we have in the bathroom. I even brought my plastic bowls with me. Okay, so when you're gonna start, you should really cover this with a plastic wrap. I didn't for these and I had a hard time getting them off. So I would cover it with a plastic wrap first. Now, oops, I must have it the wrong way. This is the clean. She didn't have regular. this is press and seal. She didn't have regular cling. Okay, there, that works. So I would cover this first. Then take your doily and take a small bowl, even if you use another one of these, and put your stiffy in there and saturate this. Make sure you get this worked in really good. I was gonna use this and show you, but my hands get total, I don't even have rubber gloves here to wear. But this is so thick. I'm gonna show you how thick this is. I'm just gonna show you how thick this is. It's like glue. It's like a glue. So it was hard to saturate them. So I'm gonna say use regular stiffy. But you would
I'm gonna do it, but it probably is.
Yeah. I would stick this in there and make sure it's saturated and then squeeze your excess off. Then drape it over your bowl. And your sides will stick down because it's like the stiffy. Drape these over your bowls. Like your big ones are gonna go on here. And then you have like medium, like I would say this one is my medium one. So I would wrap my bowl with my saran wrap. And then I would dip this one in and saturate it, squeeze it out, and I would form this on here. And same thing. Now the Dixie cup, I don't know if you need to wrap the Dixie cup. I really didn't have too hard of a time with the Dixie cup. But I would saturate the little one and I would put it on here. Like this one comes out looking like, is it this
I say
one?
like a bottle cap.
It comes out looking like this. See, can you see it? And another thing I did.
And this one kind of comes out looking like a bottle cap.
Yeah. Another thing I didn't care for this, I don't know, I have a lot of clear like glue pieces. I tried to use the hair dryer on them. They wouldn't come off. I'm gonna have to try to scrape them off. I don't remember my stiffy having those on there. Okay, so your pieces are gonna end up like this. Now I should have had plastic wrap on here, but when you take them off, it ends up looking like this. See, and it's hard. I let these dry overnight and then I still had to let them dry for a while this morning because after I pulled them off, they still felt a little damp. So I let them dry, but see, it's hard now. So then you take your big one and you decide, let's see, I'm gonna try this big one because I did that other one. I'll do both. But you take your big one, then you're gonna take a medium one. I gotta see where my medium one is, here. Okay. You're gonna decide what you want inside of what. So that's my medium. Thank you. And this would be my little one. Now we're gonna glue them together one at a time. So take your big one
at a time.
Add a little hot glue in there. He's singing in my ear. And then take your second one and glue it in there. Be careful because some of the glue might come through. So watch you don't get burned. That's why I like the mini hot glue gun. Okay, those two are together. Now I'm gonna add a little more hot glue in here. Oh, he left me. See, he's gone, I'm by myself now. And I am gonna add my little one in there. Okay. Now there is my flower. Of course you need something in the center. So I even brought that stuff with me, guys. I brought a bag of my buttons. Okay, I wanna see what I want in the center. I kinda like that one. Okay. I kind of like this one. I'll show you in a second. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue in the center. And your button fits like in the hole that's in there. So I didn't even have to cut the bottom of the buttons off. Okay. Now that is that flower. See, these are really cute on a wreath, guys. I have a wreath at home. I put these with greenery, and then I put these things in there in some flowers. They're so pretty. But see, here's two different ones. Now I'm gonna do another one. We'll do this one. And I think I want this in there. And you could do these with bigger. I made a big flower at home, like this big. You just use, like you might want a whole single doily in a bigger plastic bowl. Or any bowl. You're gonna cover it with saran wrap, so you'll be okay. Okay, so I want that. And then I think I'm gonna use that yellowy one. See, I like that. So I'm gonna glue these together. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them here. See, this glue gun, guys, I'm getting that glue jam in there. I'm getting that glue jam. There it is. Okay. I think I'm back. I think I'm back to good. Let's see. Yep, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna glue this one in there. Yeah, guys, we had terrible, awful winds last night and rain. And we lost power for a while and the power kept flickering off and on. School was canceled and they couldn't get to daycare because of the roads. The trees were blocking the roads. So I have all 4 today and it's been okay. It was a little hard because Jackie had school online this morning. So with the babies, it was a little hard, but when they went for a nap, it was good. But they've all been well behaved. But Grandma's gonna, she'll be ready to go to bed early tonight. Okay, so here's my 3 glued together. Can you see them? And then I need a little one, or I need a button or something for the center. So I'm trying to see. I really like that one. See that one? I think I'm gonna, oh, that's the one I used before. I don't know if I have, let me see. I brought a couple different ones. Oh, this one's like the center of a flower. I'm gonna do this one, I'll show you it. Just need a little bit of glue. It's really warm out, really warm. Even though it was storming, it was so warm. Okay, there we go. So see them? You can even just put a little hanger on here and these would be cute ornaments on your everyday tree. If you guys keep an everyday tree up, these would be really pretty hanging on an everyday tree as your ornament. And then you can even use them for Christmas. I would just leave these on for every holiday, every season, and just add seasonal things to it. I'm looking to see what I have here left. Okay. I did enough to make 4, so I might as well make all 4. Why am I on here? Okay. So that's why I haven't really been on today, guys, because I was very busy this morning. And we ran to TJ Maxx last night. They had some really cute trucks, red trucks. I didn't buy any, but they had some really cute red trucks. Now this one, they're kind of the same size. That's okay. Those 2 ended up being kind of the same size, but that's all right. Maybe I could stretch it out. Let's see, okay. And glue this one in there. I didn't even take pictures while I was making them for a blog, so I'm gonna have to remake them when I get home. Okay. I'm gonna try different buttons for in them. Got glue stringies. Now I need the hairdryer. Okay. Here's this one. Look how pretty. So here we go. Got this one, you got this one. We have this one. And we have this one. Aren't they pretty? Okay, I just wanted to try to do a quick pre-recorded video because I don't know, you never know when the babies are gonna start crying. So I was just doing a pre-recorded video to show all of you how I made my doily flowers because so many of you were asking and I promised I would do a video to try to make them. So I got these bowls at the Dollar Tree. You guys can use whatever bowls you have, any little bowls you have at home, and you'll judge by the size of the bowl that you need by the size of your doilies. And for the little tiny center ones, I just use the Dixie cups. You might even want to use cups. You know, the regular plastic drinking cups go up in size. It's up to you, but you cover them anyway. So even if you want to use any glass bowls or anything you have, you cover them, dip them in, but at least let them dry overnight before you try taking them off your form. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I have to say. I'm trying to think, and I only used my regular Gorilla Glue sticks. And that's it. You only need doilies, saran wrap, hot glue gun, stiffy, and scissors. And that is it. And buttons. That's all you need. Or any little embellishments you want to put in the center. Okay, hopefully I'll be able to talk to you all later. Thanks for joining me. Bye.